everyone, welcome to my vlog today. So today in this vlog, as you might have seen in the thumbnail, that overall in India and especially in Puri, the Rath Yatra have begun. So the next 10 days is going to be a lot of fun, emotions. It's a mixed feeling because in my apartment we celebrate the Rath Yatra in the beautiful and in the actually we have a very grand celebration in our apartment wherein each and most of the residents, they all participate in each of the activities. I'll show you in the vlog that all the ladies of my apartment, they create a beautiful rangolis which is a pattern of Odisha, how they create that in Odisha, right? It's the same pattern we create here. So yesterday nights, the women, the kids, the entire night, they have created this beautiful rangoli. Then there is a lot of decoration done overall in the apartment, especially where we are going to do the sthapana of the god Jagannath. They have decorated it beautifully with flowers and the lightings overall. So it's all blingy blingy in my apartment. And also we have this competition for the kids and for their parents. We have this Odisha style prasadam as well, which will be distributed overall in the residents in the apartment. So just please stay tuned with me. It's a huge celebration we have for the next 10 days. And now the festival season in India have begun, so the second half of the year is mostly filled with all the festivals, the lights and the celebrations. So please stay tuned with me, so because I'm going to represent here the entire Odia culture, the Odia food, the rangolis, how they celebrate. So yes, I said, please stay tuned with me till end of this vlog, because why? I am going to show you the entire process, how we do the grand welcome of our Lord Jagannath, and may Lord Jagannath give blessings to all of you, all your wish should be fulfilled. So yes, please stay tuned with me till end of this vlog. Thank you, and come with me. I'll also show you. Right now I'm going downstairs, wherein we are just going to get a rath. And this beautiful people will be around how we are going to celebrate. So please come with me and join me for the Rath Yatra. Thank you.